So this here is a Pro Kit PK Tool 1/2" drive torque wrench. So over to you.
Yeah, well, I mean, torque wrench in general is a pretty simple bit of kit. Allows you to make sure that you're tightening something to the right specification. So not too loose where it's going to fall off again, or not too tight where you've overstretched the material and fatigued it, or even to the point where you've just ruined the threads and pulled it right out again. And it's surprising the amount of people that I see that don't torque their wheels, even as a home gamer. And torque wrench...
Even some workshops I hear.
Yes, I have heard that.
The Ugga machine out and away they go.
I've heard that and I have seen that, and it's not my favourite thing.
Yeah, it's a cringe moment, isn't it?
And, you know, as a home gamer, there's nothing worse than increasing the amount of work that you've got to do. So I'd really recommend, as a service item, get a 3/8 and a 1/2" torque wrench that does your 90% of your variety of bolts, and then make sure that you find the specification for the sump plug on your car. Find the specification for the wheel nuts on your car.
So where do you find these specifications?
Well, Dr. Google tends to have a lot of it. So it's one of the few times that Google might actually have the right answer. But you should be able to look in your owner's handbook as well.
They'll have those ones in there.
They might have the tightening torque for the wheels at least, and then you can find out online, tend to find out online for the tightening torque for the sump plug.
Or even if you're able to find like a Haynes or Maxellery manual or something like that.
Exactly, and if you're going to do any serious work on your car, having a Haynes manual is one of the best things you can do. And really, like, over tightening a sump plug and destroying a sump. That's going to turn a 1 hour job into a 6 hour job.
Oh, nightmare. You got to think down the track, and if you're going to have a car for more than 5 minutes, you want to be doing the right thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Now we were having a look at this one, and it does have, so it's ratcheting, and it does seem to have another function on the back. So not sure what size that is, but maybe it's useful.
We'll have to figure that out, but it looks to be about a 21 or a 22 mil.
See if I can hold that up. So I wonder if it's a common size and how functional it is. And this one here is reversible. And then if you've ever had a play with these torque wrenches, I'm guessing you have, but maybe you haven't. I might even come up to the camera, just show you real quick. So you've got a collar here. On the collar, you just turn it until you match your torque rating there. And that's all it is. And then you put your pressure on, and you wait until it gives you a little click. And then you're home. You're home and away, and it's all done. That's as easy as it is. And this is another one. So this is one of mine, another PK tool, and it's just a socket for my wheel nuts that has that's thin and has some plastic protection around there as well.
That's a pretty important one, especially as you buy a more expensive aftermarket wheel. I'm having a nice little bit of
I got some fancy rims and I don't want to scratch them, so that's why I got that.